Easy steps to stop Google Photos backup. Considering the limited 15 GB of cloud storage on Google Photos and the dramatic surge in the content being produced with each passing day, you may be wondering if there's a way to stop the automatic backup of your photos and videos in Google Photos. Google Photos, an app-based service offered by Google to both Android and iPhone users, has proved to be the best cloud storage provider compared to its direct rivals such as iCloud and Dropbox. Before June 2021, Google was the only provider of unlimited cloud storage. However, in the early months of 2021, Google announced to set a restraining bar to Google Photos' unlimited cloud storage. But you don't need to worry over how to stop Google Photos backup, because Cat Insider, as always, brings your worries to a halt with a comprehensive guide for it. All that's needed from your end is to be very selective when deciding what to upload to your Google Photos cloud storage. Here are the steps to stop Google Photos auto backup. First of all, open the Google Photos app on your device. Then, from the top right corner of the app, select your account profile. Now select Google Photos settings. Then tap on Backup and Sync. Toggle the slider off for backup and sync. The Google Photos auto backup has been turned off, and from now onwards, you'll have to manually back up the photos or videos you intend to save on the cloud storage.